Hi, I'm Dr. Wes Crenshaw, Kansas licensed psychologist and owner of Family Psychological Services. I'm also board certified in couples and family psychology by the American Board of Professional Psychology and certified as a sex therapist by the American Association of Sexuality Educators, Counselors, and Therapists. Over 24 years of practice, I've logged some 26,000 hours face-to-face with clients and families. I've practiced in Lawrence for 16 years now, specializing in adolescent and young adult psychology. Over the years, I've written for the Lawrence Journal World, Your Teen Magazine, and I'm regularly featured in Attitude Magazine. You may also have seen my segments on Kansas City's Fox 4 Morning Show or heard me on KCUR's Up to Date with Steve Kratzky, the KLWN Morning Show, or KPR Presents with Kay McIntyre. In addition to working with teens, I provide relationship and family therapy to a broad spectrum of clients. I also see some post-college adults for individual therapy within my scope of practice, most often for issues related to ADHD, sexuality, or anxiety. In fact, ADHD is one of my primary specialties. I wrote the popular self-help book, I Always Want to Be Where I'm Not, Successful Living with ADD and ADHD. In the past few years, I've come to understand the importance of emerging sexuality among teens and young adults, and the critical role therapy can play in helping them traverse a culture filled with complex and often conflicting sexual messages. In working with young people on sexuality, I emphasize the importance of consent, gender and sexual identity, relationship building, and the ethical treatment of self and others. In making a decision about who to see for psychotherapy, it's often helpful to understand how a provider works. Over the years, I've learned the importance of speaking the client's language in approaching any problem or concern. I find that when people come to therapy, they don't really want to talk to a therapist. They want to visit with a person who knows something about life and how to make changes in behavior, thought, and emotion without coming across as cold or clinical. So, no matter the subject, I try to talk to my clients person to person in common language. I'm also a directive therapist, so if you're worried I'll be sitting quietly waiting for you to figure out what to say, don't be. I know how awkward that can be, and I'll do what I can to help make our time together feel more like a thoughtful conversation, not an interrogation or analysis of what's wrong with you. Since opening this practice in 2012, I've expanded quickly to keep up with the growing demand for our services. Please take a look at the additional staff bios and videos on this site to get a feel for the types of clients our other staff see and how they practice. It's an exciting time at Family Psychological Services as we expand our clinical offerings, develop new media projects, and author new books. If, after reviewing our website, you think one of our staff would be a good fit for you or your child, call our office at 785-371-1414. At Family Psychological Services, our goal in working with every client is to make a personal connection for change.